Hello, friends. We are glad to welcome you to our channel. Today we present to you haircuts for women with medium hair length. Watch the video to the end and maybe you will find a good haircut for yourself. Radiant Reinvention, medium-length haircuts for women over 40 In the enchanting realm of beauty and style, the year brings forth the tapestry of rejuvenating and uplifting haircuts designed specifically for women over 40. Embracing the journey of aging with grace and confidence, these medium-length hairstyles not only enhance natural beauty but also radiate positivity. Let's delve into the vibrant world of haircuts tailored to empower and illuminate the spirit of women over 40. The graceful layers, a symphony of softness. Medium-length haircuts take a graceful turn with the introduction of layers that dance with elegance and softness. The graceful layers are designed to frame the face delicately, providing a flattering and youthful look. This versatile style allows for easy styling, whether it's a casual tousle for everyday chic or a polished finish for special occasions. The layers breathe life into the hair, creating a harmonious symphony of movement and vitality. Timeless bob, classic beauty redefined. The timeless bob receives a contemporary makeover, emerging as a symbol of classic beauty redefined. Tailored for women over 40, the medium-length bob exudes sophistication and timeless elegance. Whether it's a sleek and straight variation or a textured bob with subtle waves, this haircut offers versatility and a renewed sense of confidence. It's a statement of refinement that transcends trends, celebrating the enduring allure of simplicity and grace. Sun-kissed balayage, illuminating the spirit. For women over 40 seeking a touch of sun-kissed radiance, the balayage technique takes center stage. This artistic coloring method creates a natural and luminous effect, adding depth and dimension to medium-length haircuts. The sun-kissed balayage not only illuminates the spirit but also imparts a youthful and vibrant energy. The subtle interplay of light and dark tones creates a visual masterpiece that enhances the overall allure of the haircut. Boho chic waves, effortless bohemian glamour. Effortless waves take on a boho chic twist in capturing the essence of carefree glamour for women over 40. The medium-length haircut adorned with bohemian waves adds a touch of playfulness and vibrancy. This style embodies the spirit of freedom and self-expression, allowing women to embrace their unique beauty with a carefree attitude. The boho chic waves are a celebration of individuality and the joy of embracing one's journey. Confidence in color, vibrant hues for vibrant souls. Women over 40 are encouraged to explore confidence in color. Vibrant hues, from rich auburns to playful pastels, become a dynamic part of medium-length haircuts. This trend is all about expressing personality and embracing the joy of living life in full color. Confidence in color not only adds visual interest but also symbolizes the radiant spirit of women over 40 who are unapologetically embracing their vibrancy. Conclusion: a tapestry of beauty and confidence. Medium-length haircuts for women over 40 unfold as a tapestry of beauty and confidence. Each style is a brushstroke on the canvas of individuality, celebrating the unique journey that every woman undertakes. Whether it's the graceful layers, the timeless bob, sun-kissed balayage, the power pixie, boho chic waves, or confidence in color, these haircuts are not merely styles, they are affirmations of resilience, joy, and the enduring allure of femininity. And let your haircut be a reflection of the radiant spirit that defines the beauty of every woman over 40. Thank you, friends, for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and you will know more new haircuts.